Alright, this is definitely the update for today. Just got this sweet truck here. This is our island car while we're here. Cheaper than renting a car. Got the 2005 Nissan Titan. It's freaking awesome. Just picked this up. Guy left a bunch of cool stuff in it. Cleaning it out right now, but it is disgusting. Here it is in all its splendor and glory. See Ben sleeping over there. Super cute. Yeah, here we go. Got some terrible tire tread on here. Definitely need to get some new tires. This doesn't work, but basically everything else does, and it came with all this crap in the back. I'm excited about this and those fins. Also, don't need that hose, but it did come with an air compressor to fill up our tires. So pretty awesome. Walk across the street and grab our trash can. So this is where we live. This is that up there is definitely not ours. We live in a very small portion of that large house. It's about 200 square feet, and it's the cheapest place we could find out here. Trying to save some money, living on a budget. Got 10 more seconds. This is our neighborhood. Enjoy. Talk to you soon.